Homework for Chapter 6, Fruitful Functions, asks us to write a function slope that returns the slope of a line through these points, and then test it, and then afterwards write a function intercept that returns the y-intercept of that line. So start by importing system for the test suite down here, and the slope and intercept functions are fairly simple. It's just the standard slope formula, which returns slope, and then for the intercept, just the y equals mx plus b moved around to get the formula to equal b, returning b, and then here are the tests. So if we run this, should be all good. And here's the test slope function, came out great, and the test intercept function looking all good.